quick one, let me quickly introduce to you this very interesting maths AI solver. So with this maths AI solver, you'll be able to drop question and you get your answer immediately. And this one is absolutely free. Free. So let's give it a try. The website is called maths.e.net. So example right now, I have a question copied down. Cube root of 1331 is, so I need the answer I'm asking, and boom, you ask the following question. So the expression is equal to, I'm not a mathematician, so this is the answer. Any other thing? Let's see what else we can do with these two. View one times, ask. Okay, login or register. I've not registered. Let me see whether if you are registered, maybe there are also other features that we can get access to. It is good to actually register to some of these sites, and as I do advise, change the password. So your account, okay, activities and more. So let me go back to the website and let me get some questions over here. Okay, I'm looking for some tough question that will require some working. Let me ask this. Okay, is equal to 35. Let's see. 55 is the answer over here, and over here is telling us 35. So you will need to also consult, very necessary, consult different platform for their answers, or let's ask ChatGPT the same question, yes, to see whether which of them will be right. Okay, 35. Okay, the answer is equals to 35 minus 5 times 7. Then what's the answer? It's the answer I need, not all these ones at all. So let me ask the answer. The answer is equal to 35. So the answer is 35. We are fine. So 35, and over here they are telling us it is 55. So if you are a mathematician, can you please give it a try? Okay, let's ask this one and let's do comparison with ChatGPT. Going back to the home page, let me ask ChatGPT first. Then I go back over here and I paste my answer, ask. Let's see, and after writing thank you, we have the answer is equal to 7 over 8 is equal to 9, and this is the answer. Yep. So let's check the answer over here. It's equal to 9, and then the answer is equal to 9. So let's check over here also. The answer is equal to 9 with ChatGPT drawing all the formulas. So if you have watched my video on how to use ChatGPT for your maths, definitely you can use this. Let me check whether I have another question, some hard questions that I can bring out that we can use for this. Any hard questions so far? No hard question. And so you have to go and give it a try. Go and give it a try, and I am 100% sure you will like this too. As a math teacher or elementary teacher, or you have some funny textbooks that you want to query, you can use some of these two. 90 degrees the answer over here. Likewise over here also, I'm sure it will be 90 degrees. So give it a try, and although they are not bringing, won't be able to phrase your question, but okay, they'll be able to. I think I did not ask well, so if I ask well, they should be able to answer me. So give it a try. This is a very nice tool, and the website once again is maths.e.net, and I'm very sure you love the tool. So give it a try. I'll be right back with more tools on AI maths. Thank you. Bye.